a fun question. Here's a fun question, guys. The fun question is sin x over sin y equals a half. Cos x over cos y equals 3 over 2. Tan x plus y equals 1. These are the notations we're going to use. Square root of x. X to the power of 2 equals x squared. Sin x cos x trig equals a trig function. Tan x equals sin x over cos x equals a trig identity. That's the trig identity we're going to use. Cos squared x plus sin squared x equals 1 Pythagorean identity. These are the double angle formulas. These are compound angle formulas. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is first we're going to square both sides and then we're going to use the Pythagorean identity. That's going to lead us to this second cos equation coming into this. Now we're going to equate sin squared x equals to x and sin squared y equals x. This means that x over y, because of that, is 1/4. 1 over x over 1 over y, 1 minus y. 1 minus x over 1 minus y equals 9 over 4 because of that. Now, let us substitute. We basically simplify. This is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. These are derived from these two equations when you expand them. Then we place 1 and 2, we basically solve, getting us 5 over 8 is y. We then put this into 1 and we get x equals 5 over 32. We then have our equations. We're then going to put, basically what I did was we took all the sine squared, right? And we practically just square rooted. So 5 over 32 is sine squared x. So we square rooted to get sine x. Same here, giving us 4 square root numbers. Then what we're going to now do is take advantage of tan x plus y. We're going to use that identity of that trig identity from earlier. Then we're going to expand the compound rules based on like the compound formulas. Remember from here, basically these compound rules and this trig identity. That gives us these large numbers. We then basically substitute everything in. Then we then proceed to basically simplify by multiplying the square roots inside. And after we multiply the square roots, you'll notice all of them have a common denominator of 256. We simplify. We then have this, which is basically 14. We then can factor out square root 15 because 135 is practically just 3, not 3 times square root, but it's basically like 9, square root 9, which is going to give us the 3, 1. Then we simplify, we get 2 square root 15 over 7. That's our final answer.